Hello and welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're taking a look at a single-owner 2018 GMC Sierra half-ton Denali. It comes with heated and cooled power-adjustable leather seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate controls, remote start, a tonneau cover, and a power sunroof. Convenience features include a memory driver's seat, heated power folding mirrors, a Bose audio sound system, and a wireless charging pad. Safety is no concern thanks to the equipped park assist, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, lane keep assist, and automatic LED headlights. The touchscreen display allows for hands-free calling via Bluetooth connectivity, while also showing the vehicle's navigation system, Sirius XM radio, and the backup camera. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to click or call and one of our sales representatives will be happy to help.